Hello children, welcome back to Story Time with Miss Nidhi. Today I have a delicious story for you all. Yum yum. You must be wondering what do I mean by delicious story? So our today's story is about laddoos. Yum. I love eating laddoos. Mouthful of laddoos. I hope you like eating too. Come, let's listen to the story. The title for today's story is The Laddoo Code, and the author and illustrator for the story is Saksham, Arora. So, let's get started with the story. Oh, what I see. This looks like a class. Oh, one morning in class 2B. Shh! Anjali, pass this note to Ritvik, whispers Rahul. Anjali passes the note to Madhu. Madhu passes it to Anwar. Anwar passes it to Sanya. And Sanya passes it to Ritvik. Ritvik reads the note.
Nani made me laddoos. Meet me behind the canteen.
But Anjali, Madhu, Anwar and Sanya have read it too. Oh my god, the entire class knows that there are laddoos in the class and everybody's like, laddoos! Oh no, I don't think we are getting any. Everyone in the class jumps on the laddoos. Soon there are no laddoos left. The next day, Anjali, pass this to Ritvik na. Anjali tries to read the note again but can't understand it. Madhu can't read it either. Neither can Anwar, nor can Sanya. But Ritvik knows exactly how to read it. Ritvik wraps the strip of paper around his pencil, just the way Rahul did when he wrote it, and the secret message is revealed. So this is called making and breaking the code. What Rahul did? Rahul converted his message into a secret code so that no one else can read it. This method of protecting information is called encryption. Ritvik wraps Rahul's note around his pencil to reveal the message. This method of changing encrypted information back into plain text is called decryption. Computers also use encryption and decryption to keep information safe. Do you want to send secret messages like Rahul and Ritvik too? Then go get yourself a strip of paper and wrap it around a pencil and write your message on the wrapped paper. Then unwrap the paper and give it to your friend. Your friend can read the secret message by wrapping the paper around another pencil. Isn't that interesting? Yes, see, Ritvik and Rahul could finally share their secret laddoo code with each other and finally could enjoy some laddoos together. And the rest of the class didn't get to know about it and they enjoyed yum yum laddoos. So I hope you liked this story and you would go ahead and make some secret codes too and share it with your friends and family.
So till then, bye bye. See you till I come back with my next story. Bye bye